Are you tired of feeling sluggish and unhealthy? Are you looking for a quick and effective way to lose weight? Look no further than the Smoothie Diet. This 21-day program is designed to help you shed pounds and improve your overall health. Drew Scoutus. Hi there. I'm Drew Scoutus, a certified health coach. The Smoothie Diet is a simple yet powerful approach to weight loss. It's all about replacing 2 meals a day with nutrient-packed smoothies. The Smoothie Diet is divided into several phases. Pre-diet week. Prepare your body by reducing processed foods, sugar, and caffeine. Smoothie week. Replace 2 meals a day with smoothies. Whole Foods week. Incorporate 1 solid, nutrient-rich meal. Smoothie and Whole Foods week. Alternate between 2 smoothies and 1 solid meal. Post-diet week. Gradually transition back to a regular diet. The key to the Smoothie Diet is to consume nutrient-dense ingredients. Think fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and protein sources. By following the Smoothie Diet, you can experience rapid weight loss, increased energy, improved digestion, enhanced overall health. Remember, before starting any new diet, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian. They can ensure the Smoothie Diet is right for you and provide personalized guidance. Are you ready to transform your life? Start your Smoothie Diet journey today.